Taming the Beast, Mastering Animal Idioms in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Advanced Vocabulary series. Today, we're diving into an interesting and colorful area of the English language, one that takes inspiration from the animal kingdom. Yes, you guessed it, we are going to explore idioms related to animals. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand and use these idiomatic expressions with confidence, making your English sound even more fluent and natural. Before we leap into the world of animal idioms, let's quickly brush up on what an idiom is. Idioms are phrases or expressions that have a figurative, not literal, meaning. They add spice to our language and are a staple in every native English speaker's vocabulary. Now let's get to the heart of today's topic. Animal idioms are a vibrant part of English language that borrow characteristics from various animals to describe human behavior, situations or characteristics. Let's have a look at some examples. A bull in a china shop. Someone who is very clumsy or causes damage, often unintentionally. Cry wolf. To raise a false alarm or make false claims, making it difficult for people to trust you when there's a real problem. The elephant in the room. A very obvious problem or difficult situation that people avoid talking about. It's time to put your knowledge to test. Can you identify the animal idioms in the following sentences? 1. After several warnings, they realized that John was not crying wolf this time. 2. She felt like a fish out of water on her first day at the new job. 3. Avoiding the elephant in the room, they continued their holiday dinner as if nothing had happened. We'll review the answers in the next section, so make sure you have your answers ready. So, how did you do in our exercise? Let's check your answers. 1. The idiom in the first sentence was, crying wolf. 2. The second sentence contained the idiom, a fish out of water, referring to someone who is uncomfortable in a particular situation. 3. The last sentence used the idiom, the elephant in the room, denoting a big problem everyone is aware of but prefers not to talk about. To further solidify your understanding, try using these idioms in your own sentences. Great work, everyone! That's it for today's lesson on animal idioms. You've learned not only to recognize these expressions, but also to understand their meanings and how to use them correctly. Practice them regularly, and soon they'll be a natural part of your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is a marathon, not a sprint, so keep practicing at your own pace. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next lesson.